If you're getting the Slack API error invalid underscore auth, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This usually happens when your authentication token is wrong, expired, copied incorrectly, or when you're using the wrong type of credential in your request. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to grab the correct Slack token, format it properly, and retry your request without the invalid underscore auth error. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and developer tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to api.slack.com/apps. This is where all of your Slack apps are managed, and it's the best place to verify that you're using the correct app and token. Once the page loads, select the app that you're trying to use in your request. If you have multiple Slack apps, make sure you choose the one connected to the Workspace and API call that's failing, because using the wrong app is one of the most common reasons this error appears. After you open the app, go straight to OAuth and Permissions. This section contains the credentials that Slack generates for your app, including the access token you need for API calls. Look for the Bot User OAuth Token. This is the token that usually starts with XOXB-. Copy that token carefully. Make sure you copy the full string and nothing else. No extra spaces, no missing characters, and no accidental line breaks. Even one tiny character mistake can trigger invalid underscore auth. Now, in your request, set the authorization header exactly like this. Authorization, bearer XOXB- your dash token. The key thing here is that the token must go after bearer, and it must be the actual Bot User OAuth Token from Slack. Do not paste a webhook URL here, because a webhook is not the same thing as an API token. If you use a webhook URL as a token, Slack will reject the request and return an authentication error. If you're testing this in code, Postman, or another API client, double check that the header is spelled correctly and that there are no extra spaces before or after the token. A lot of authentication issues come from simple formatting mistakes, so it's worth reviewing slowly. If the token still looks wrong or the request continues failing, go back to the Slack app page and click Reinstall to Workspace. This is important because reinstalling can generate a fresh token and reauthorize the app properly. After reinstalling, copy the new Bot User OAuth token again from OAuth and Permissions. Then replace the old token everywhere you used it, whether that's in your code, your environment variables, or your Postman authorization settings. Once the new token is in place, send the request again. In many cases, that immediately fixes the invalid underscore auth error, and your Slack API request starts working normally. If it still fails, take one more look at the app selection, token type, and header format, because those three things solve most invalid underscore auth problems. The main takeaway is simple. Use the correct XOXB token, format the authorization header properly, avoid webhook URLs, and reinstall the app if needed. That's the cleanest way to fix Slack API error invalid underscore auth. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, API tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.